Welcome to our deep dive into the world of ChatGPT. I'm Sarah, and today we're comparing two groundbreaking versions of this AI phenomenon, ChatGPT 3.5 and ChatGPT 4. While ChatGPT 3.5 made significant strides in natural language processing, ChatGPT 4 marks another leap forward in the capabilities of AI. This episode will explore the differences, improvements, and the unique features of each version, giving you a comprehensive understanding of their evolution and capabilities. Let's begin our journey through these two milestones in AI development and see how they stack up against each other. ChatGPT 4, the latest iteration in the series, comes with several enhancements and new features. It boasts a more advanced neural network architecture, enabling it to understand and generate more nuanced and complex responses. One of the key improvements is its ability to handle more intricate prompts and provide more accurate and detailed answers. ChatGPT 4 also shows advancements in understanding context and retaining information over longer conversations. Let's take a closer look at how these features work and how they represent a significant upgrade from ChatGPT 3.5. When comparing ChatGPT 3.5 and ChatGPT 4, several differences become apparent. While ChatGPT 3.5 was already impressive in its language capabilities, ChatGPT 4 takes it a step further with refined algorithms and improved data processing. In terms of language understanding, response accuracy, and the ability to maintain context in longer dialogues, ChatGPT 4 shows noticeable enhancements. It also demonstrates better handling of complex queries and more creative and accurate content generation. In conclusion, the evolution from ChatGPT 3.5 to ChatGPT 4 represents a significant step in the field of AI. With each version, we see improvements that push the boundaries of what AI can achieve in understanding and interacting in human language. The advancements in ChatGPT 4 not only enhance user experience, but also open new possibilities for AI applications in various fields. As we look to the future, it's exciting to think about what the next versions of ChatGPT and other AI models will bring. Thank you for joining me on this comparative journey of ChatGPT 3.5 and ChatGPT 4. Stay tuned for more insights into the ever-evolving world of AI. Thank you for exploring the comparison of ChatGPT 3.5 and ChatGPT 4 with us. It's been a fascinating journey seeing how AI is continually evolving and improving. As we move forward, the possibilities for AI in our daily lives and various sectors seem limitless. Keep following for more updates and deep dives into the world of AI. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious about the future of technology. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.